What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. So, when am I going to buy my 100 million tokens? 100 million Shiba Inu tokens, right? I'm going to get into that in this video. It should be a simple explanation, but we're going to break down what did happen with Shiba Inu today and I guess, kind of reiterate what I said in my last video and also my stream talking about where I plan on making these moves and what I think Shiba Inu is going to do. So, guys, make sure you hit that like button. Also, hit the subscribe button for more videos like this one. And make sure you guys check out some of the links down below. Check out my Profit Apparel merch, which I'm not wearing because it's still in the dryer. But yeah, definitely check it out and see if you like the shirts, if you like the product. I'm telling you, the material feels way better than any shirt you could get. So definitely check it out. Definitely get the shirt. And you wouldn't even know that you're wearing somebody's merch. You would think that you're wearing something professional because I think it's pretty nice. You know, Erica and I designed it. It's very simple, very clean, very modern. Definitely check that out. But let's go ahead and dive into this. We're going to first dive into the price a little bit. I know people asked me a ton. They were like, hey, why are you waiting to buy your 100 million? Why are you not buying it right now? It seems to be at a low price. Yeah, you're right. It seems to be at a low price. I am waiting though. I'm waiting a little bit longer because I think we're going to see something. And right now, I mean, it went a little bit lower. So technically I can get it for a discount, but I'll tell you exactly where I plan on making this. And if I see anything of a reversal to see it go in the opposite direction, then I probably will have already made my move by then, and you'll see have that amount in the account. Guys, let's go ahead and dive into where we're at right now. So Shiba Inu is currently at 3,300, right? It's at 0.00003300. Now, I had an entire stream talking about this price, talking about where the price is and where the price will go. I don't know why my nose itches and it's bothering the hell out of me. But yeah, I talked about this price and talking about where it's going to go and explaining why I think a dollar or a penny is definitely reasonable in the next couple of years if 2022 goes as expected. So currently you could see, again, we're down 2.64%. The volume is down by 18%. The activity is still 67% buy. And you're seeing that the 1 year performance is at 44.7 million percent. You can see here over the last month, I have up the month format and bringing this to where it was at 29. That's amazing. I don't know why my nose is itching so much. It's freaking bothering the hell out of me. Did a spider go up there or something? Weird. Um, but yeah, you can see it at 29, 28, and you can see how it did rise back up to about 4,000. Now, after seeing that at 4,000, it did decrease down to about 34, to where it slowly increased before today, and now you're seeing it decrease down to 33, right? So not really big movements, kind of flat movements, even though they do make a significant difference in people that are holding the position. You could see the typical hold time is 52 days, popularity is 10th. Still have the same circulating supply. The market cap is lower, obviously, because the price is lower. Market cap being the same, you're going to see the market cap at, circulating supply being the same. You're going to see the market cap at 18 billion or 18 billion, 18.2 billion, instead of being up in that $20 billion dollar mark. Now, when I look at this overall position for the last year or so, you can see this run up, and everybody can say, "Oh, I'm hoping to get in at these levels. I'm hoping it adds a zero so I can buy in more and watch this thing skyrocket over the next however many years." I'm looking for this to decrease just a little bit more. If you wanted to know exactly where I plan on buying in at, it's not too far from here. It's literally within this 3,000 range. And I would say probably somewhere in the range of 28 to 30, 3,100. And I know that's getting picky. You know, you obviously can see a massive amount of gains, but it's going to cost me less money today. And I think just costing me less money today will factor into gains for the future, right? So I like to be able to get in at one of these lowish lows, and I do think that we're going to see a little bit more of a pullback. I understand that we had this large pullback here, and we saw a little bit of an increase here to where we broke over a previous high, which is a good thing. Breaking over that previous high is definitely good. But I do see a little bit more coming, and I think in the new year we're going to see crypto run. So it's tough to say whether we're going to see it run the first week or whether we're going to see it run maybe mid-month or end of month or somewhere in February. It's definitely possible that we could see a late run, because everybody reacting to it and some people buying back in towards mid-month rather than towards the beginning of the month based on like taxes and losing money and being able to have an effective wash sale that goes over 2 years, right? And not over 2 years in length. I'm saying over like 1 year's 2021, 1 year's 2020, right? Being over that border, kind of like saying like, hey, I'm doing this over here. I spent money over here. Well, now I'm crossing the border and I'm going over here and I'm spending money over here, right? So it's just a different way of looking at it when it comes to taxes and the wash sale, which I wanted to post today, and I'm not going to get it up today. And I feel like it would be a disservice to put that video out, today while people can't really make that decision. I was going to put it out yesterday before, and it's a lot, especially ones that I have to edit. Any ones that I have to edit, it's so difficult. And today I was with the kids all day, so it's tough. But yeah, that's what I see with Shiba Inu. So I expect to invest somewhere around the $3,100 range, and I don't have any alerts, so hopefully I can see it and make that move. But I do plan on making these moves and holding 100 million or even over 100 million. I would love to hold maybe 110 million, and then when I feel like we get to a certain point to where I know I want to sell off basically all of it, I'm going to sell off 100 million and leave 10 million in there because I know that this can make a positive move. Now, just quickly to kind of reiterate where my thoughts are and why I decided to buy 100 million. Um, the reason why is because I actually want to shorten the time span of, me holding the position. So, um, I want to shorten it to where I can gain a lot before we see a full run up to a dollar. Because I know a run up to a dollar or a run up to a penny will be big, and we're going to see a resistance right before it. We're going to see a resistance at like 80 cents, maybe 70 cents, and we'll see a resistance well before 1 penny at maybe 0.008 cents, right? We'll see it at that level to where we lose uh, two zeros and we have an 8 there, or maybe even 9. We're going to see it before it hits a penny, and we're going to see that resistance hard. But I think that we may see a strong burn rate, or not a burn rate, just a burn percentage in 2022, and I think we might see it multiple times. And we'll see overreactions to the buying of that. It'll get up to high points, and then we'll see a decrease because people end up selling off and taking their profit, and then you're going to see another burn, which you'll see an increase in FOMO buying, where this is going to get to, and then you'll see a decrease in that as well. So I'm definitely thinking that we're going to see something big in 2022. And if we don't, that'll show us exactly where it's going to get to. I'm hoping that we could see something big. If not 50%, I would love to see at least 25% taken off the table. So that's where my head is. I still have to make this full decision on going all in, putting $3,000+ into Shiba Inu so that I can hold 100 million, and that be one of my largest holdings. That I could say, you know, that Krill, OMG, those would all be some of the largest holdings, holding $3,000+ ish, right? So you see everything is falling down, which is great and bad at the same time, because now it's making me think that some of these are investable as well. So I want to spread my money across multiple places, but I'm gonna put it into Shiba Inu. That's the plan, and buy 100 million that we can see this thing run for the future. So guys, if you can, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more videos like this one. Also, make sure you check out some of the links down below. Check out my store, my Profit Apparel store. Also, check out the Patreon if you want to join the Patreon. There's a lot of buy alerts and stuff like that, so definitely check it out. But I'm gonna get out of here, and I'll catch you guys in the new year. See ya.